Welcome to Matinik. Today we are going to learn two-digit addition. Let's start. Here we have 116 plus 253. We will start adding the numbers on the right. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 1 plus 5 equals 6. And 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the answer is 369. Next, we will do a tricky one. In number 3, we have 339 plus 472. Again, start adding the numbers on the right. First, 9 plus 2 equals 11. Write down 1 and carry the other one above the 3. Then add 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Write again 1, carry 1 above the 3. Add 1 plus 3, 4, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. The answer is 811. That's all for today. Bye-bye.